cool tradition here in California for all of you tropic, right? Before you leave that thing. Now, go ahead and wave at all the lovely people, guys. Wave at all the lovely people. Smile because we're having fun. Now make sure we wave at the rest of them. Don't want to forget about them. All right, here we go. Paddles up. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Rope. 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 And smile. Or grins. Okay, us casters at the canoes are really good at grinting, making it look like we're having fun, okay? 8 hours a day to do this. Now to your left, you're looking at people who make better life decisions, right? Choose a ride with a motor. Alright, we can stop smiling. Keep paddling now, okay? I'll smile for us. I have to warn you guys. We're almost done with lap number 1. Lap 2 is about speed. The 3rd lap is about endurance. The 4th lap, kick the kids off. And they have to push us, alright? Get in the water and push us on. Now I have to ask, anybody's first time on the canoes? First timers? Yes, I can tell, Anybody's last time on the canoes? I wish I could do this. Alright, here we go. Paddles up, we're almost done. I was kidding about the laps. You guys have another 2 minutes, so I have another. Alright, let's go 6 more, then we're done. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, we'll coast it. Paddles up inside the canoe, up and down like so. Alright, remain seated. Watch your hands, fingers, paddles. Hands, watch your little ones. Make sure we stay seated too so much we can stop, okay? Alright, give a round of applause to Lily for steering us around safely. Now, if you had fun, then my name was Jonah, this is Davy Crockett. However, if you had a bad time, do me a favor, just forget my name. Now, I wrote you guys a poem. I didn't do this for many boats. It's very special. Roses are red, violets are blue. Leave. Alright, look down, watch step. Guys, put your paddles in these boxes right here. Play the matching game. Put your paddles in your paddle box. We're going to exit down this way behind me.
Big paddles with big paddles.
And make a right on the rock wall.
Small with small.
Have a great day. You're welcome. Have a great day, guys.
Big with big, small with
You
small.
guys were the best boat I've had all day.
He hasn't had a lot.
Well, I had to say that every day. So.
Oh yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, don't do that.
Tell your friends how much fun you had. Keep your line nice and short. Thank you, guys.
If you do it correctly, you'll feel it. To the left, Brian. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make better life for you.
You want to be the one in the back? It's 2 through 1.
Bye guys, thank you very much everybody. Smile guys, it's over. Have a good day.
I still have the rest of the popcorn, so it's just all